Well, hi everyone. I've got a review for the Modelones today. These are beautiful. You've seen me do their kits before. A lot of them, like I say, are a kit. And so there's that one which is gel. And then this one has got a magnet. And the gels to go with that. So first off, I'm going to do the gel ones. These, like I say, I've got this one here. This was out of another kit. And it's here all the time. I absolutely love this. And that was out of one of the kits I did a few months ago. But that's always with me there. Because I absolutely love it. They come so well packaged as well. In fact, sometimes you can't even get them out. They're that tight. There we go. You get all the instructions that you need to know in there. And these are the colours. So like I say, they come really, really well packaged. So I'll get these out if I can. And I think this one's the diamond collection. So it's got diamond written on the bottom of each one. But like I say, they all come in a kit. So we are going to find out what this kit looks like. Like I say, they always come really well packaged. So we've got those there. So what have we here? Right. So as what I can't see is, it just says diamond gel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some false nails and show you each one. Like I say, it's nothing underneath, and no, there's nothing there. So, like I say, we will get a false nail and look at that one. Absolutely solid with glitter. Oh, look, lovely. Oh, that's beautiful. I mean, with all these thick glitters, you don't need to scrub it on, like just run it down. You've got to tease it on so you don't miss any places. That's absolutely gorgeous. Oh wow. That'd look nice on top of a colour as well. I will come down a little bit, I think you're miles away. Let's have a look. Right, there we go. So as you can see, how beautiful that is. So I'm going to do each one and then I'll cure them and then we'll come back and have a look at what they all look like. So I've got my LED on and so like I say, I'll talk at the end when we've seen how easy they go on. So there we have it with those colours. All these are beautiful. That, the shine on that, and there's no top coat on that. That's as is. You know, bridesmaid, beautiful. The gold. Look at the shine on. Incredible shine. And this one with all the blues and purples. And that one, the red. It's very striking. You know, if you like strong colours on your nails. And the silver again. Look at that. Beautiful. And obviously the clearer one, which I like to put like an accent. I like to put a colour underneath and then something like this over the top, because there's hundreds of colours in there. Well, hope you've liked that one, and I will get the other kit ready and I'll be back. So this is the other kit, and it comes with a magnet. That's it underneath. Comes with a magnet, one that end and one that end. Comes with a black, and then you've got your different ones here. There's a rainbow, diamond again, which is one of those. But I will explain them as I come to them. And also they give you this. You put your colour on the top, cure it, put it on your lid, and you know exactly what's what. So I'm going to get these out and have it, and then I'll come back and show you what's inside. So with this kit being a bit of a variation, there's chameleon, rainbow, and there's this part of the diamond again, which is a different colour. Where the one I did before, this one, is more blue in there. That one's more purple. So what I'm going to do the magnet one. So this, in the kit is the black. So I'm going to hopefully just to do one layer. And I'll cure that and I'll be back. So I did the black. I know you don't need to, but I think it makes it stronger underneath. And then with your magnet, just take it, let me see it, take it over, down there, and then with the other end you can pull it back up this way, and it gives you another effect on there. It's a beautiful colour, beautiful. So I'll cure this, then I'll be back. So I'll show you now the difference between these two in colour. Well, like I say, it's still part of the diamond collection. And then I'll show you, like I say, the difference between one colour and the other one. They're amazing, the amount of stuff they've got in these. So I'll just cure it and we'll be back. While that's curing, you can see now where the magnet has gone on that one. So with this kit it is varied. You know, they're not all of one sort. They are different. But like I say, I'll leave a link to the site and you can go and check out all their kits. So I'll get the next one and we'll see what happens there. So now this one is called Rainbow. So I suppose that's a rainbow collection. There's a load of colours in there. I've never done anything like it. Like I say, I've done one or two kits for them and they are beautiful. Beautiful gels. And look at that. It's amazing. I hope the camera can pick up all those colours that are in there. It's beautiful. So I'll cure that and I'll be back. Now this one is cured, I'll show you the difference between the two. And you can see this is more blue, that's more purple. So you can actually see a good difference there. So that's them. So the ones I've got left now are the chameleon. So there's that one cured. That is beautiful. I think that one's going to go with me other little one. Me go-to. Well, like I say, there's so many that are absolutely amazing colours. So what I'm going to do now, I'm putting on, these two are the chameleon. So I've cured that black, because the black comes with the kit as well. So I've cured that black. So while the other one's curing, this is a blue. As you look different ways, it shows a different colour. Yeah, that's like a grey. I don't know if you can see that change from a grey. So I will cure that one. There you go. I don't think I've ever used chameleon ones before. Now this one. Look at this one. Oh, look at this one. Oh, wow. Oh, that is amazing. I think that's the best. Oh, God, that's gorgeous. Wow. Look at that. It goes lighter and darker. Oh, that's gorgeous. Like a green, turquoise. Wow. So I'm going to cure that one and then I'll be back. So this is what's in this kit. So you've got your magnet, and it comes with the magnet. You've got your black, which obviously is underneath, but it is in there. You've got a different colour on all the glitter there. And then you've got the chameleon and the normal. I think that's rainbow, that one. But my favourite, wow, is that one. Well, I'd like to thank Modelones for sending me these. Never ever had any problems with them. Beautiful gels. And I would suggest you go onto their site and have a look. When they do a kit, you've got such a variation. You don't have to think, oh, well, do I need this? Try a kit. It's a no-brainer. You know, you've got all the different things to do with your nails. And I can't say any more than that. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and hopefully see you in my next. Bye.